In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open TikTok business account. We'll start by getting you signed in on the official TikTok website, which is the first step before you can access any business tools. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type tiktok.com and press enter. Double check the spelling to avoid typos that could lead you to the wrong site. If you searched instead of typing the URL, click the official TikTok result to land on the homepage. Once you're on TikTok's site, look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it to open the sign-in options. TikTok gives you several ways to log in. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. In this walkthrough, we'll use login with Google because it's fast and secure. Click the login with Google option. A Google window will open. If you've signed in with Google on this browser before, you might see your accounts listed. Select your Google account to continue. If your account isn't listed, click the option to use another account, then enter your Google email and password. Only enter these details on the official Google sign-in page, and make sure the page shows a secure connection. After selecting your account or entering your credentials, you may be asked to review permissions. This is a standard step that lets TikTok connect to your Google profile for authentication. Click the highlighted button to confirm and proceed. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that verification as prompted. You'll be redirected back to TikTok, now signed in. You can confirm by looking for your profile icon or your account menu in the top right corner. If the site skips the account chooser and logs you in automatically, that simply means your browser remembered your previous Google session. From here, you're set to continue with your business setup within TikTok. Being logged in on the official website ensures you can access account settings and the tools you'll need to open or manage a business account. If you prefer using the mobile app later, your login will carry over as long as you use the same account. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Always use the official URL, avoid public Wi-Fi when entering passwords, and consider enabling two-step verification on your TikTok and Google accounts for added security. That's it for getting signed in on TikTok through your browser so you can open a TikTok business account. Thanks for watching, and follow along next time as you continue your setup.